guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bianca. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have some really easy and fast Dollar Tree DIYs. But before we get into the video, real quickly, I want to give a shout out to JEULIA for sending me this amazing two-tone ring twist. It is gorgeous. If you guys want to check out their website, it will be linked below at JEULIA.com. They have a little promotion going on that ends November 1st, so go on over and check out all of their jewelry. They don't just have rings, they have necklaces and bracelets. You can get 10% off by using the code H10. You also get a free gift with any order. It's a Jack and Sally keychain, and they're a random one, so you will receive one of those as well. Don't forget to check them out in the link below, and let's go ahead and get started with the DIYs. For the first DIY, I am taking 4 8x10 Dollar Tree canvases. The frame of this is made out of wood, so I'm gonna remove the canvas and use the wooden frame for these vintage printables. I found this on a modern homestead blog off of Pinterest. I fell in love with these. They just look so nice. She actually has a lot of different ones that you can choose from, so I picked these 4, which is this corn, and it just has some wording on there. I think it's like in French. This pretty flower stem, another flower stem, and then some wheat. So really nice, and these are 8x10s. They print out an 8x10 or 5x7. Now you guys, to remove the staples, I've showed you guys many times that you can take a staple remover and take them off, but I have misplaced mine. So what I do is take a knife, which you need to be very careful, but this is the only way that I can do it. I just keep my hand back here and come in like that and just remove them. So if you do try this, please guys, be very, very careful. And of course, I'm not going to use this side. I'm going to turn it around and use this side. And look how pretty that wooden frame is. Now, obviously, I am doing it the harder way. You could easily pick up some wooden Dollar Tree picture frames as well. But I just really like this look of the frame. So I'm going to glue it down. And guys, you can stain this if you want. I just decided not to because I really like that raw wood. It looks nice, but you can totally do whatever stain color you want, or you can paint it white. So I'm going to add some hot glue on this and set it on here, and then we will cut off the excess. You're going to have to kind of pick and choose what words you want on here because the border does cover up. So super easy, you guys. I have 2 up there on the top shelf. This is my hutch that I just made over. And then on the bottom one, here's the corn. And then the other floral one. For this one, we are making a garland out of a few things that I already had. So Dollar Tree has this twine that I have been having. They have these pine cones as well. This was actually in the Christmas section, and I love these because they smell like cinnamon. I have just this burlap. They do sell burlap at Dollar Tree as well. And I'm gonna go and measure out how big or how long I want it, and then I can start applying some of the pine cones, and I'll make some little bows. The first thing I'm gonna do is take some of the burlap, and I'm gonna make 2 bows, 2 real simple bows, and put them on each end of the twine. I went ahead and took all the smaller pine cones out of there. I'm gonna leave a little bit of twine hanging off. So simple and makes a really cute difference. You can see this one has a little bit of hot glue on it, just from one of my past DIYs. These are just some Walmart flowers. I'm not going to be using the flowers. I just want to take the greenery off of them and use it on here. And then I'll be taking some Dollar Tree florals, and I'm going to use some of the cotton off of that. Maybe like a pine cone on there. This is all Dollar Tree. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed these quick and easy DIYs from Dollar Tree. I'll see you guys in my next video.